sure we are live on Amazon. Let me put my do not disturb on, first of all. I hope you guys are doing awesome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So in the past couple of weeks, we've been doing this. We're doing a lot of gift guides. We did a really cool gift guide for her. You mean um, Bree was going over a whole bunch of beauty products that you may want to give to that special lady in your life. But today I just want to do something for the guys and for the dads out there. I'm a dad. All the guys in my friend group are dads, and I just want to show some love to the guys, to our favorite guys in our life. You know what I mean? Whether it be your dad, your boyfriend, maybe a dad-in-law. So all these products that I'm going to show you make a really good gifts for Christmas, and you can access all of these products down below. There might be something on the screen right now that you can just order it, add it to your cart. Some of these items are on sale. I'm not too sure how long those sales will be, so take advantage of it if you do see a sale going on. But let's get with it. So first of all, us dads, we like smelling good. So this one right here is the David Beckham Aromatic Greens cologne for the guys here. So this is going to smell absolutely amazing. So this is a green apple and cedarwood scent. It is long lasting, and it's pretty awesome. So let me just unbox it here. So because that's it, that is what we're doing. We're unboxing everything live on the air. I have had this. I have tried this before, and I do remember liking the scent. But there it is. There's the bottle. Looks pretty awesome there. So your dad could be smelling nice all throughout the year. So let's give the old little scent test here. So we do one of these, like the pros. You know what I mean? Just like the pros. That smells amazing. You know what I mean? This is great. So if your dad is going out, maybe he's taking your moms out to dinner, having a night on a town, he could be smelling absolutely amazing with this. So this one is, again, this is the all aromatic greens David Beckham cologne for the guys, for the men out there. So it makes an amazing gift. That's available on Amazon right now. Other options that we have here, so let's go over all of them. This one is pretty sick. So if your dad or that guy in your life is going out to games, maybe he's going to the Eagles game, the Sixers game, maybe he's watching the Yankees, maybe he does a little tailgating, which is amazing. This item right here is from a brand called Durabuilt Outdoors, and what this is like a book bag and a cooler at the same time. So basically, you could put in some adult beverages in here. If you get where I'm going here, this is a 20 liter waterproof cooler backpack. It's soft, it's insulated. Gift idea, and it's a little bit different, right? You don't want to give your dads the same old gifts like a tie, even though a tie is a great gift, but we're trying to cover some alternative choices you guys might want to use as a gift for your dad this year. But this is awesome here, again, from Durabuilt, and this is their cooler backpack, which again, take anything you want in there and have a good time wherever you go. Next up here, we're going to take a look at, so us dads, we love making memories. We got kids. We want to enjoy life, watch them grow up. This next item here is a great way to kind of just remember all the great times. I find myself getting sentimental all the time when I'm seeing my kids are getting bigger by the day, and I miss them being babies, being toddlers. They're still toddlers, but it sucks. It sucks watching them grow up. We enjoy every last minute of it, but again, we just don't want it to go just too fast and whatnot. But this particular item here is the Kodak portable printer. Now I'm actually going to print something out for you guys. This is something where you can plug in, and then your phone will attach to it via Bluetooth, and you can print out all the photos from your phone, which is awesome. So us as dads, One thing that I have done purposely, which I'm very happy with myself that I did, it was from the day they were born. I pulled out my camera so many times because I wanted to capture every single moment that I could. Um, and I can now print them out on this Kodak printer. So this is the tray, right? So this just will just click in here to the printer itself. And then I'm going to try to connect to it because there is a Kodak app that you guys can download and then be able to print all the photos you want. So I'm going to connect to it right now. And right there, I'm already connected. So it has all my photos from my app, from my phone library. So I'm going to just choose, let's choose this one. So recently here, I was showing off a really cool, oh, let's not do that. Yep, there we go. So we're going to print out this picture of a book that Bree bought. It's the Eras Pour, a really cool recipe book. Now, all I'm going to do for this Kodak printer is just hit the print button, right? So once I hit the print button, it's going to send it right directly to this Kodak printer, and it's going to print it out. So now I can have a tangible photo that I can then hang on my wall. Maybe if your dad has a locker somewhere at work, he can dress it up a little bit, or maybe just print them out and put them on his desk, whether it be at home or at work, and then everything just kind of prints out on here. Also, this has a dock, and if you have an iPhone or anything that has like a USB-C slot in there, you can just plug it in right into the dock itself, and then this will also act as a little charger. So now my phone is charging, and then this will begin to print out the photo that I just selected, which is sick. Very, very easy to operate, very easy to set up. In fact, I think I got everything set up within minutes, which is really, really cool. And then, the paper, like the photo paper that you would use for that printer, you can get here on Amazon. So you can get a whole bunch of different boxes, and that way. Also, alternatively, my kids have been using this a lot because they have a lot of projects in school. If they're doing a poster board thing, we'll help them print out a couple of pictures that I've taken over the years, so that way they can use it for their school project and whatnot. But for dad, this is amazing because again, it's just a boatload of fun to be able to have tangible pictures that I can take anywhere I want. So again, I'll just give you a quick little look again at this. But this is the Kodak Instant Dock Printer, and I'll just remove this off the printer itself. So right there, it's connected. And then again, I can just print anything I want on here. In the app itself, there is an editor too, so that way you can edit all the photos before you print it. So that's always nice. But I love it. You know what I mean? I absolutely love it. It's really cool. And I just, for dads, it's just something that's just beautiful. You know what I mean? Makes a great mom gift as well. So this can go either or whatnot. Other items that I will show you here are picture frames, since we're talking about memories and whatnot. All right, so it looks like I sent the picture to the photo printer right now, and it's going to spit it out here in a little second. But as it does that, I'll show you some of the other items we're gonna call to. This is another really good one. This is the Next Play picture frame. So this is a 10.1 inch touchscreen picture frame that you can send photos or videos to. So that way, if your dad is just chilling at the office, he can have these on his desk and have like a nice little slideshow of his kids doing awesome things, playing football, playing sports, or just doing well in school, or just doing well in life in general. This always makes an amazing gift. It also comes with the stand, so it's really easy to set up and use. The app is really easy to use as well. You can actually pick what photos and videos you want to send to the frame. I have another one to show you. Same concept here, just another brand. These are like two of my favorite picture frames companies here. The other one here is the Aura Carver, another picture frame. You'll see all the details down below in the carousel. What I love about this one here, I'm going to take it out of the box. So let's do a little unboxing here. Let's switch up the camera. So let's unbox the Aura Carver. So again, this is another like one of those digital picture frames, which again will cycle through all of the photos and videos that you want to show off. It's a very beautiful screen. Basically, you just plug it in and then like you're ready to go. Again, there is an app associated with this as well. So then basically you go into the Aura app, you select what photos you want it to display, and it sends it directly to the picture frame. 10.1 inch screen, huge screen. It's awesome. So I got one for my sister and my mom over the years. And basically what happens is like, you know, when the kids do like new things, I'm taking new photos. Like what I'm about to do now, we just got like our photo pictures. We got our photos taken for like Christmas. We're doing like all the greeting cards kind of stuff. So I'm going to send those photos to my mom and to my sister's picture frame, which is amazing. It's sick. So for a dad, they would love it as well. But again, beautiful. You can't go wrong with either or. So either you go with the Carver one or the one from Nick's Play. Both are amazing. Pretty sick picture frames too. Now cycling back to that Kodak dock printer. So this is what just printed out from my phone. This was a picture I took last week of this really cool recipe book that me and Bree are enjoying. But love this thing. So how quickly you printed it out there, and it just kind of just puts it on the tray just like that. Again, I love this thing. Big fan of the Kodak printer. And then again, all of those like accessories, like extra paper, extra photo paper, you can get here on Amazon itself. So you can print as much things as you want here. Next up here, we're going to take a look at a vacuum cleaner. So let me actually put this away. And I'm going to do it nicely so that way I'm not like making that much of a mess here. So this one right here, when you're a dad and you got a car, especially if you get like a brand new car, you're trying your best to keep everything clean, even though it's almost impossible, especially if you have kids. So having one of these around is a godsend. So this right here is the Saker 6-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So as you can imagine, when you got the kiddies around, you can get lots of dust and a whole bunch of cracker and food items just all around the cup holders and whatnot. So this is nice just to kind of have around and just clean up a little bit as your kids leave the truck or the car and whatnot. So this is a 6-in-1. So let's unbox it so you can see what's inside. And this one has a lot of amazing reviews right there. So look at that thing. So this is what you need. So let me get this view here. This probably can show you a little better. So the basic idea, my two little boys will eat up a storm every time they're in a car. Crackers everywhere. Lots of goldfishes, a lot of goldfish crackers, and French fries, everything you can imagine. So this is nice to have in the car to be able to just, again, just clean everything up, you know? This thing is very popular and very powerful as well. It also comes with a bunch of attachments as well. So if you have like certain areas that you want to kind of get into, this particular one is kind of like really good for like fabrics on the car itself. So you can really get in there and clean it. Also has a nice little travel bag as well, which is always nice. This is something that I recommend you just keep in the glove compartment or in the center console. So whenever you just need to clean up a mess, it's right here and you just do the thing and then you're good to go. Also, it's rechargeable here. So I don't know if you can see that real quick, but it is a USB-C port on there, so you can easily charge it up. A lot of the newer models of cars have a USB-C in there, so you can just charge it up in your car, and it's always ready to go. Love that. Love that for the dads. Keeping your car clean, or even just like your office and whatnot. Sometimes our keyboards get a lot of like dust and dust mites in there, so that's a quick and easy way just to kind of get all that stuff out. Other options that you may want to get for that dad is all about beauty too. Men's beauty, big thing going into 2026. I'm all about it. I'm trying to be all about men's beauty. I'm talking about like skincare, hair products. Keep your dad looking good. We did take a look at that cologne. It's all a part of that. This right here, an idea that you might have for your dad is making a nice little kind of men's beauty little thing there. So this right here, I'll show you. This is a toiletry bag. So let's unbox it. So the whole idea behind this is that you get him a toiletry bag. Now this is the one from Bag Smart. Let me highlight it in the carousel right now. So the whole idea for Christmas, you get him a nice little bag like that, and then you fill it with a whole bunch of stuff. So you can give him the American Crew pomade, which is great for hair. This leaves your hair looking absolutely amazing at all times. You could also get him some The Ordinary natural moisturizing formula right there. So for his face, and then you can get him some nice little tea tree special, you know. So loving that. You can put everything into the toiletry bag just as so, and it makes them an automatic gift, you know. So pretty awesome stuff. So let's see what else we got here. Also, some options that you can do is that you can get him some like power banks to keep his devices charged up at all times. We got this one right here. This is the MagSafe one, which actually will attach to the back of your phone. So that way he's always charged up, ready to go to do whatever he wants. But tons of options here. We also got like the Galaxy FE earbuds. These are my favorite earbuds right now. Sound absolutely amazing. Great bass on there as well. So love that. And then also, you can go the route of getting him an Acer wireless charging station. So that way he can charge up his phone, his Apple Watch, and some earbuds all at the same time right by his nightstand. So lots of different options here for the dads. I just wanted to quickly highlight them. Like I said, if you're interested in any of these items, they are down below right now. And that's about it. So again, hit that follow button, hit the hearts in the corner, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.